So I don't know if you guys are aware of this,
but most of these switches here on these printers have a light in them. And if you just enable the neutral side to the switch, when you turn it on, the switch will light up and you'll know the thing is on. The Chinese are so cheap that they don't want to wire up the switch. Every single one of these, and none of them light up. You can see the light inside of there. And I'm going to show you this in a second. If you're ever doing an experiment like this and you're not sure what you're doing, you can use a piece of wire like solder or something very small, and if you're wrong, it will just burn up and act as a fusible link. So, inside of here, see the black wire? Okay. Chinese always do everything wrong. Black in the United States would be hot, okay? But they make the red hot and they make the black neutral. That's just what they do. Kind of like looking at it like a battery. And I've seen some really confusing crap happen over the years. The way these type of switches are, the power comes in the middle and then it goes out through there, and as long as the top part, which is actually colored different, is hooked to the neutral to return to ground, it will illuminate when the switch is on. Now, you see I put this piece of solder in here very carefully just because I didn't want to blow anything up. Okay. See the switch is lit up? So that's all you got to do. You just, unfortunately, if you want to make it work, you're going to have to go in there and hook something to the black wire. But what easiest way to do is get one of these and make a pigtail and go over to, on this case, your power supply wire, clip it off, and then recrimp it into another fitting. Or you can, do it however you want to do it. You can cut it off over here, put 2 wires into there, but you need a way to get to that wire coming off of the receptacle. And then you'll know when your printer's on. And this is the stupidest crap I've ever seen. They just do not decide to wire these switches in. So watch. Off, on, off, on. Almost all of the printers are this way. Now this one here is kind of the exception, because you're not even going to see it anyways, but it's the same kind. They use those switches on everything, because this one here, we can't see it back there, but anyway. So with this particular printer, it's really easy to get to, and I'm going to guess that all the Creality printers are all going to be the same. And this printer here, same thing. We can't see it in here, but if we open this up, we should be able to get in there really quick. And none of them, I haven't run across any of them that light up the switch in the back. Oh, is this one on? I can't tell, but it looks like it is. Hold on. I'll be damned. Elegoo did it, man. Elegoo. Another reason I love this printer. Plus, you can really tell something's on down there. So, yeah, look at that. Holy hell. And we'll go in here. Look. See that? Yeah. So Elegoo is the only one that did that. That's pretty cool. But anyway, if you got one and it has a switch that looks like this, I mean, it's almost guaranteed to be, one with a neon bulb in it. So you just make sure that you check the wiring on it and the markings. Some of them don't have very much markings, but yeah, pretty simple.